All right, example 3 is not really an example. It's just asking a question. It's saying, so a set of polynomials, if I have two things that are adding together, it's a real number, and subtraction is a real number, whatever it is that I subtract, meaning I'm not getting an imaginary number. So recall, the only way you get that imaginary number is with those square roots. Polynomials do not have square roots, so therefore I can add and subtract polynomials all day long. So yes, because it results in a real number. Okay, let's look at how we could use a polynomial in the real world. So we have this function here, v of x equals 48 minus 2x, and it relates to the price, and then the cost of making the wind chimes can be represented as the other function here. And then it's also important to note that profit equals revenue minus cost. Okay, so in this case, the revenue is going to cost, or the revenue that they will bring in will be this times however many wind chimes that they actually sell. Okay, and then the profit is that revenue minus the cost, which was 12x plus 64. So where did I get that? I got that from up here. Then I'm going to simplify, do some algebra here. So I got 48x, I got negative 2x squared, negative 12x, and then plus 64. Okay, when I combine my like terms, it looks like negative 2x squared plus 36x minus 64. Sorry, it's about x. Okay, and I'm going to save you some time here. The maximum, I could graph this in Desmos, is 998. Goes down something like this. So since this is Carolina's profit function, if you think about anyone running a business, they want to make the most amount of money. They want to make that profit, so you would make the max, because if you start making too much, you either need more supplies, more hands on deck to make it, and sometimes you end up losing money. And that's where this equation comes from. And so for Carolina to make the best amount of money here, her best business plan is to produce and sell 9 wind chimes per week. And then, so she would make a weekly profit of $98. I don't know if that's enough for me to make 9 wind chimes a week, to just make $98 from them, but to each their own.